was the night before Christmas, and all under the skies, children were sleeping, for they had tired eyes. Parents were watching Die Hard, because Christmas movies are bold. They all have action, thrills, and a story untold. But not everyone was with family on Christmas Eve. In a mountain full of logs and threats were adversaries. "We shall ruin the holiday season," they said with glee, because they were going to steal data and have their own shopping spree. With the crack of their knuckles and a swipe across the keyboard, they began to laugh, and then they roared. They explored and found where the logs were stored. And just like that, the websites were down. Only thing left for last-minute shoppers was a 404, where the page was not found. Even though Santa may bring smiles and gifts, these adversaries stole credit cards without causing a rift. So what does this mean, defenders and lab coats? Does this mean that Christmas is now a hoax? Never fear, my podcast listeners. As cyber defenders, we are winners, for we stop the adversaries and are home for the holiday dinners. Let us learn more about the holiday hacks, because we want to make sure our families are safe so we can relax. Now sit back and take a seat, open your ears, pick up your feet, and let me tell you about holiday tales. Yes, that is better than Die Hard on a much broader scale. Tune in, listeners. These stories aren't for beginners.